What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of the content series of Road to 500 horsepower in our Subaru WRX VBTR. As you guys can see, we have this really nice exhaust. Yes, this is our new PLM Subaru WRX VB STI axleback exhaust. Now, the ones that we have right now does not have any mufflers at all. Oh, they're called Muffler Deletes. Today, we are going to install our new one, which obviously comes with mufflers. Two big mufflers, left and right, driver's side and passenger side. Let's see how this exhaust with mufflers actually sounds like. Let's go ahead and get into it. We've been running this for the past few months now, and we are gonna run this for the first time. So we'll see how this one sounds like. Nice. That's a pretty good clearance, guys. Now this is the passenger side and this is the driver's side. And they look good. Now, to conclude this video, which one would you prefer? Would you prefer having a very loud exhaust, or would you prefer having a very mellow but still has that tone and loud exhaust? Obviously not the same. Both of them are the same exhaust, but not really, if that makes sense. Comment down below if you prefer having the PLM Muffler Delete, or comment down below if you like the PLM WRX VB STI muffler exhaust that we have here at PLM as well. Now, we are currently on early Black Friday sale, so if you guys are interested, if you are in the market for any of these PLM axleback or muffler exhaust for the WRX VB STI or WRX VB, what are you guys waiting for? Check out our social media accounts and our websites online, and that way you guys can see the discounts and the savings that you'll be getting. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.